Hello everyone. So today in this video we are going to practice on the offset function. Previously we had the practice on the H lookup, V lookup, X lookup, index match, and or pivot table by different examples. Okay, so this is series are on the practices different function by different examples. Okay, so in this video we are going to practice on the offset function. I'm talking about the offset function in Excel. So here you can see offset function, and I'm using the OneDrive Live. Okay, so offset function. So what is the offset function? So function is written in a reference to a cell or range by the moving from starting cell. I'm talking starting cell. So whatever you want to count, you need to give reference. Okay. So you don't need to select the entire data, just give the reference. Okay. And it's help to create a dynamic range, update the automatically when data changes. I show you with examples. Okay, so let's understand the syntax of the offset. Here you can see the syntax is the five parameters: reference, row, calls, height, and width. Reference, so starting cell. Okay, starting cell. Suppose the salary is could be Ram, anything. Second row 1, 2, 3. These are the rows, and the column is the column. This is the column. So rows move up to down. Keep remember, rows work move up and down from reference. Suppose your reference this, and your row work is the up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, and column work right and left, right and left, left right, left right. Okay, so this is the important thing. Okay, so here you can see the parameter reference. This is the reference, and the row is move the up and down, and columns is the left, right, right to left. Okay, height and width. This is the most important thing. The height and width are the optional, but the height work for the row. When you are using, you are calculating the multiple row, then time we are use height, and width when you calculate the multiple columns. Okay, so width is your column and height is row. So this is the very important to understand. So let's understand the with examples. So first example, here you can see the name and salary, the three names is with salary, but I want to know the Sham salary. And important one thing I want to tell you, if you have the larger data set, so don't use the offset function. You can use instead of index function. Okay, so this is the important thing. Let's understand. So I want to know the Sham salary. So Sham salary, how we can find? Suppose reference is this is the one reference B1, comma, row. So 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so I type 2, comma, column. Stay in the same column. We are working on the same column. That's why we are use 0. Close parenthesis and hit enter. And this is the Sham salary. Okay, so you can find the salary. Next, let's find the Mohan attendance. So for this equal offset function, reference, this is okay, comma, 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 attendance, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so type 3, comma, type 0, close parenthesis and hit enter. And more attendance is 80%. It's a small data set, that's why we can the see, but sometimes we have the larger data set, so we can't the scroll. So with this offset function, without scrolling, we can find the particular value. Okay, data. Next, I want to sum the salary. So how I can do? This is called the dynamic range. We are understand the dynamic range. Dynamic range, I show you with the example. Equal, here we use the sum because I want to the sum the salary. Okay, so simply sum. Next, offset function and reference. What you want the reference? So I select this reference. I don't want. Okay, I want to sum these values. Okay, simply comma, give the 0 row and give 0 column because we are working on the this column. Okay, comma, count a function we are use. Count a counts not empty cells. Okay, so and select this range simply close parenthesis minus 1. This is the height what row, these are the rows. Okay, and I just remove this blank cell. One moment. Okay, so I select this. Okay, so I give the height is row minus 1. Minus 1 if you want to the you don't want to the count with the sound salary, but if you want to the count, so you have to add the plus sign. Okay, comma, and type width is your height, width is column. So type 1, 2 time parentheses and hit enter, and this is your total sum. And if you want to check, so simply select, and here you can see the sum in Excel bottom. Okay, and if you want to the average, you want to the see the average. So average you can check, very simple. Just select and hit enter. What is the happening is here? Okay, we are choose the row if we don't, we want only average and enter, and this is the average salary. But I want again the back the sum, add the sum function here. Okay, and hit enter and see how is how we can the I make the dynamic. So I want to add the okay, so suppose I want to the add the name, another name. Suppose the my name is Charu, and salary I want to the add something else and hit enter, and you can see the changes here. So this is called the dynamic. Okay, so this is a very important for us and very helpful as well, right? So this is the dynamic. Let's understand the this. Suppose I want to know I want to calculate the only three large salary, only three large salary. So how I can do? So again equal type sum function, offset function. Okay, and reference. What is the reference is here? Simply select this comma 00. If you want to give, okay, so I just select 0 and comma 0 comma count a function and select this range. Okay, comma and minus 3 comma 0. Okay, and close parenthesis two times and hit enter. But reference is wrong, show why. So okay, so here we need to remove this the row. Okay, and here we can add 3 and 1 comma 1. 3 is the your row and 1 is your column. Two times parenthesis and hit enter and see result. So you can check the when I select this last three, so sum is here. This is the correct function. So you can check. Okay. So what is the happening is here simple. We are use the sum offset function. Okay. This is your the reference. Okay. Count a we are select this. So we are select this in row. Okay, and minus 3 with all say are the row, 0 is your column, 3 is your height and 1 is your width. So this is the column and this is the row, and that's it. So this is the offset function. So with this practice we can find the last salary, last three salary, two salary, whatever. Okay, so this is the basic offset function practice. Let's we have the data and let's find the sum practice more. So let's find the salary of the employee 10. Here the I give the criteria employee 10. So I want to find the employee 10 salary. How? So here we use equal offset function. Okay, and reference. So employee ID where is employee name. Okay, so here we use the this one. Okay, B2 B1 comma row. So what is the row is here? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so type 9 and 0. Oh, sorry, we need to the count salary. We are trying to find the salary. So 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so type 3, close parenthesis and hit enter. And just we need to change the format in number and 60,000. So here you can see, but is the make mistake I because we are take the reference from here, but it's okay. If you want to the you can take the 10 here, you can change. Okay, and see this is the your answer. So this is the reference game. Okay, so if I take the reference is the B2, suppose from here. Okay, and I type 9 here and hit enter. So you can see again is change, something is wrong. What is the going on here? One moment, I need to again the correct this offset function. Okay, select this reference comma row. So what is row is here one sorry 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so type 9 comma we want celery, so simply 0 1 2 and 3 and type 3 close parenthesis and hit enter and see 92,000. So here you can see the employee 92 and you can remove the decimals. Okay, see, so with this way you can get the answer salary. So employee 10 salary this one. Okay, next, if you want to know the performance rating of the employee 10, performance rating what is? So here with this in this data we can find okay equal offset function again. So here again I select this reference okay and comma and column row. So what is row is here, so select again 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so type 9 comma column, so we want the performance rating, so 0 1 2 3 and 4. So type 4 here, close parenthesis and hit enter. It shows poor, so you can check the poor. Suppose I want to change here, if I change here the uh, excellent, so you can see this is the, so automatically update. And dynamically how we can find the last five the employee sorry first five employees salary, how we can sum equal, here we use sum function okay offset function and we want the salary, we want to check the salary. Okay, so here this is the salary reference, so select this, so you can select this, otherwise you can select this. Okay, comma here type 0 because we are working on only one column, same column. Okay, and here the type 5, height is 5. I'm talking about this height is low, so I'm talking about the 5 1 2 3 4 5. So type 5 because I want only sum the 5 employees. Okay, so that's why I type 5 and vote. Here we are width is 1. Okay, and two time parentheses and hit enter. And again we need to change the format in number format and simply select it and decrease the decimals and see this is the result. So simply when I select these the 5 range, so you can check the sum, so your function is right. Okay, so this is the offset function in Excel. So I hope these are practices can help to understand how does work the offset function in Excel. So that's it about this video. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing. See you in the next video.